Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify wire transfer status in Wells Fargo, full guide step by step clearly. To verify a wire transfer status in Wells Fargo, start by logging into your Wells Fargo online account. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Wells Fargo homepage. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign On button. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts tab located in the main menu. Select the account from which you initiated the wire transfer. Scroll down to find the Recent Transactions section. Look for the transaction labeled as Wire Transfer. Click on the transaction to view more details. Review the status indicated next to the wire transfer. If the status shows as completed, your funds have been successfully sent. Should the status indicate pending, it means the transfer is still in process. For additional information, click on the transaction to see date and time details. If you need further assistance, consider using the Wells Fargo mobile app. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Tap on Accounts to view your recent transactions. Locate and select the wire transfer transaction for status verification. If you prefer, you can also contact Wells Fargo customer service for real-time assistance. Call the number found on the back of your debit or credit card. Follow the prompts to reach a representative who can help you. Provide details about your wire transfer to obtain accurate information. By following these steps, you can easily verify the status of your wire transfer. Ensuring your transactions are processed smoothly is essential for effective banking. Stay informed about your wire transfers to manage your finances better. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.